Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Presto Professional Electric Knife Sharpener. The interchangeable blade guides hold the blades at your choice of 3 different sharpening angles, and a slider lets you choose thick, medium, or thin blades. The sharpener creates a slight micro-serration on the edge of the blade that results in a super sharp edge. It might take a short while to get the technique of pulling knives through the sharpener perfected, but then it's simple to use. This cannot be used to sharpen ceramic knives. Let's watch more.
Keep your kitchen and sport knives razor sharp with the Presto Professional EverSharp 3-stage electric knife sharpener. The 3-stage sharpening system easily provides professional results at home. Adjustable blade guides provide the optimum sharpening angle for the width of the knife you're sharpening. The thin setting is ideal for lightweight blades, such as fillet and paring knives. Medium is perfect for chef's knives, santoku knives, and other slicing and utility knives. And the thick position is suitable for cleavers and many larger sports knives. The blade guides accurately position the knife at the precise angle for no-guess sharpening. Start with Stage 1, the Sapphirite coarse grinding wheel. It places an initial angle on the blade. Just draw the knife through each slot a few times. In Stage 2, the medium grinding wheel continues the sharpening process by giving the blade a precision edge. Finally, Stage 3 completes the process, using an extra fine grit ceramic wheel to polish and hone the blade to a precise razor-sharp edge. It's the easy way to get professional knife sharpening results at home. The Presto Professional EverSharp 3-stage electric knife sharpener.
Our second best knife sharpener is Broad & Taylor Professional Knife Sharpener. You can start by sharpening the knife, then hone it to a fine finish in the same slot. If the knife doesn't need sharpening, you can use this for honing only. This sharpener self-adjusts and sharpens the knife edge to its original angle, so you don't need to know the edge angle to sharpen the knife correctly, and there's nothing to adjust. Let's watch more about the Number 3 in our list is Lansky Deluxe 5-stone sharpening system. This sharpener includes 5 different sharpening stones, along with a knife clamp that holds the knife during sharpening, and a guide that allows you to select the proper blade angle. The stones have finger grips for a secure hold and are color-coded, so you know which are coarser and which are finer. Unlike traditional whetstones, with this system the knife remains still while you move the stones along the blade. Let's watch more.
When it comes to keeping your edge sharp, some people have the toughest time getting the proper angle with a traditional bench stone. To alleviate this problem, the folks over at Lansky Sharpeners have created the Controlled Angle Sharpening System. Utilizing a blade clamp and a guide, as well as a variety of different grit sharpening stones, called hones, the Controlled Angle Sharpening System provides the correct angle each and every time. The Controlled Angle Sharpening System comes in both the Deluxe Sharpening System as well as Deluxe Diamond for a faster edge. By using the progressively finer grit hones, you can repair a blade that has nicks or one that has been improperly sharpened, restoring the proper angle, then finally polish it to a razor edge. The extruded aluminum clamp firmly holds the knife blade in place, and the two hand tightening screws make it so no tools are needed. Guide holes on both the top and bottom allow easy selection of the proper angle for your desired knife. Simply secure the knife in the clamp. Select the desired grit hone, attach the rod, slide the rod through the desired angle hole, and slide it against the edge of the knife. The hone does all of the work for you. The Deluxe Controlled Angle Sharpening System comes with 5 color-coded sharpening hones from an extra coarse to ultra fine and provides a wide range of sharpening options. The Deluxe Diamond Sharpening System gives you 4 sharpeners from extra coarse to fine. Each comes with a bottle of Nathan's Honing Oil, a specially formulated lubricant for use with Lansky sharpeners. Here's a pro tip: never use any kind of lubricant with diamond hones. Wash them with just soap and water. 2 additional accessories are available to make using your Controlled Angle Sharpening System even more convenient. The universal mount, which lets you set your sharpening system clamp on top of your workbench or other flat surface, and the Super C-clamp mount, which will let you securely clamp the sharpener to a table or bench. I've used Lansky sharpeners for more than a decade, and people often wonder how I get my knives so sharp after feeling the blade. Now my secret is known. The Controlled Angle Sharpening System from Lansky will keep every knife in your collection razor sharp with a polished edge. Also, check out the 4-rod turnbox sharpening system for your kitchen knives and longer blades. It features 2 stone rods that can be set into different holes for either a 20 or 25 degree angle, as well as a pair of ceramic rods to polish the edge. The rods store right inside the box.
Our 4th pick is Chef's 15 Trizor XV Knife Sharpener. It has 3 different stages for perfect sharpening. Stages 1 and 2 use diamond abrasives to create the 2 bevels as well as micro grooves, while the last stage polishes the knives, turning the micro bevels into micro flutes that bite into the food being cut for excellent performance. This sharpener can be used for both straight and serrated knives. Last in our list is Zulay Kitchen Knife Sharpener. This is a 2-stage manual sharpener that can handle both straight and serrated knives. While it's manual, it's still easy to use since you simply pull the knives through the slots. The bar handle is easy to hold, keeping the sharpener stable while keeping your hand far from the blades. Meanwhile, the non-slip bottom keeps the sharpener from moving on the counter. Let's watch more.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!